TapeReaderJo here once more. Now in this video I am going to firstly go through my pre-market prep and then talk you through the trade that I took today on the NAS100 and show you exactly the small win that I made. Right, let's get right into it. So I'm going to drop down to the 5-minute chart. And I am going to mark up my highest and lowest fair value gap from yesterday to see where we are. So our highest one, let me just turn this off as well. Here. And our lowest one is actually still here. So I'm just going to use this. I would say is there. Let's do that just so I'm very clear as to where everything is. We have our previous day low is on there. We have our previous day high up here. And what else can I see? Asia high is still intact. Asia low has been taken. We had our 830 CPI. So let's put we've got midnight open is on the Asia high. So let's do our extension. Here we go. Oh, I still got yesterday's on. Let me just take off. And then I'm just going to check yesterday's. There we go. So I don't confuse myself. And put this one on. Here. All right, so as we can see, we saw price at 6 o'clock move up and down right in between the middle. We've tagged the bottom half of it as such. And as I say, we haven't reached the top half. So I am anticipating today maybe us take this previous day low, revert and head on up. That is what I think is going to happen today, but who knows? We shall wait and see what happens at 9:30. Let's go down to the 1 minute just to see where price is. It is hanging around this settlement price from yesterday, which is fine. Because you can see London low is close to the 0.35. So yeah, I guess anything could happen. We're right in the middle, to be quite honest with you. So until we see something significant, maybe take some liquidity here. I'm going to wait and see what time-based liquidity is taken. I'm going to drop that down so I don't get tempted. And we shall just wait and see what happens. Okay, so let's take a look at what happened on this actual trade today. So 9:30, as you can see, we saw the price run up higher, and where previously I may well have jumped in, I'm learning to be that little bit more patient and just wait. In my mind, I'm thinking I want to see a pullback because I believe price is going to go to the top of my price action compass, that top purple line. But I want to see a pullback first to, I don't know, anywhere, well, as low as either the 830 or even lower, to maybe that 25% line before we head up there. I'll be honest with you, a little bit itchy, thinking I've missed out, and it's just going to go straight up to the top fair value gap of the price action compass. But, you know, at the end of the day, I'm just trying to learn to wait. You can see that we're approaching the time-based liquidity. We don't take it just yet, and we're now approaching that macro of 945. One of the things that I have noticed in the past is that, you know, you can see that price sometimes gives you a better opening or a better entry between that 945 or 950 and 953. So I was thinking, okay, we're going to have a drop down, and that's what I was waiting for. Unlike yesterday where I jumped in, I was determined to just wait and not, you know, jump the gun. So here you see that inverted, that fair value gap, let's say. So I'm looking to see what the reaction is to this. Is this where we're going to find the support? And then we turn around. As you can see, price does go through it, and I'm just waiting and being patient. I've got my finger on the buzzer. I think that probably would have been your indication to go in. We saw that swing low. As it just jumps up, I'm like, oh no, I've missed it. So as you can see, I put on my first trade. Put my stop loss below that swing low. And I'm waiting. I put on another one because I'm like, oh, it's gone now. But as you can see, I could have waited and got an even better entry. But that's not a problem. It's still, you know, 90 points just to the 0.75% of the CME level. Price shoots up suddenly and I want to get another trade in, so I do. It's 10 o'clock. I'm looking for an open low. Don't get that, and there you have it. I hit the top. So as you can see, I took my take profit was at the 75% mark, and as you can see, price did continue. We hit the top of the compass as such, and then we reversed. And I'll be honest with you, that would have been a fantastic trade all the way down to the bottom. But you know, I'm trying to manage myself and not be greedy. I managed to get 90 points just from this short move to the top, and here you can see we've got the inverted fair value gap. We had some time distortion here until we slammed through it, you know, and this is all well and good, but you know, these kinds of retracements do still scare me. And so, you know, whilst they didn't trade this, I feel a lot more confident for the future of what to look for when I'm doing that, because this is a long trade from the top to the bottom. But essentially, these compass marks tell you exactly where price is going to go in the day. It's either going to go from bottom to top or top to bottom. It may do it more than once in a day, and as per yesterday, it does also go outside. But for me, this is a great way to understand your bias, but then you just need to be able to navigate your way through that bias, or navigate your way through this compass marks to see exactly where price is going to go. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to sharing with you the next one. Let me know how you got on as well.